How to change Instagram video thumbnail after posting. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily change your Instagram video thumbnail after posting. So first thing, open up your Instagram application and let's say if you have already posted some reels on your Instagram and you want to change that particular reels thumbnail, then what you can do is simply head over to your profile section first, and once you're inside here, just click on any of your reels or videos of which you want to change the thumbnail. So once you're inside here, simply click on this three dot icon over and just click on this edit button. You will get this screen. So once again you will see the edit button, simply click on it, and from over here you can just customize your thumbnail just like this. Or you can also add your customized thumbnail from your clicking on this button, which is add from camera roll, just like this. As you can see, I just added the photo from my camera as well. So that is actually how you do it, guys. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.